In this video, I will show you how to fix DNS leak in Linux. Here I'm using a VPN, but my connection uses the DNS of the ISP. With this problem, my ISP will know which website I visit. To fix this problem on Ubuntu, go to Network Connection, select the connection you want to set up and click Edit. And the IPv6 method, select Ignore, select the IPv4 tab, and method, select Automatic dhcp addresses only. And DNS server, type your DNS server IP address. I will use the Google DNS. When you finish, click Save. Restart your network connection. My VPN is automatically connected. I will check if I still have a DNS leak. Now everything is fine. I hope this video was informative for you. Thanks for watching.